Hi, I'm Naira Ewings. Welcome to number 10 Commodore Court in Cleveland. Today we're going to show you this beautiful low-set home with this gorgeous pool area, and there's 2 en-suited masters inside. Come and take a look.
We've been fighting forever, gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream that keeps me alive.
Well, there you have it, a beautiful family home, a lovely renovated kitchen and a big block in Cleveland. You're absolutely going to love living here. We can't wait to show you through. Thanks for watching.